Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack Rar Zip archives on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. So in order to do this, open the Rar app, which we've shown you how to download in our other video. Now find the files that you want to unpack. For me it's right here, so I'm just gonna click on it. Then click on this arrow pointing up. If you want to change the designation where to unpack these files, click on the browse, and here let's pick movies for example. Change any extraction options, but it's not necessary, and after doing so click on OK. That way you'll unpack 3 of the files into the selected folder. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.